Hey guys, ito yung gagamitin nating varnish para i-apply dito sa ating natapos na acrylic painting. So, bakit nga ba tayo naglalagay ng varnish sa ating natapos na acrylic paint? So, number one, to stabilize the surface. So, basically, since acrylic is a softer material, kailangan niya ng stable coating. So, yun yung ginagawa ng varnish. Number two, for protection. Since nga stable yung varnish, pinoprotect nito yung ating acrylic pigment into fading in the long run. Nagpo-protect din ito dun sa mga harmful lights para sa pag-fade ng ating colors. Number 3 is for maintenance. So, since stable yung varnish, mabilis linisin yung ating painting without affecting yung kulay ng ating acrylic. So, basically, naglalagay tayo ng 1 to 2 coats depending doon sa surface at saka texture ng ating paint.